How I can use smart mates in SolidWorks. For example, if we want to add a concentric mate between this surface and this surface, in order to do so, first of all, click on the Alt key and then select the surface, then drag your mouse. You can see the mate symbol has been attached to this component. And as we move on this hole, this mate symbol will be converted into a smart mate. You can see here is that mate symbol has been converted into the concentric mates. Just leave your Alt key and the left mouse button. You can see the concentric mate has been added. OK. Similarly, in order to flat this face and this face, again hold the Alt key and select this face of a pin, then press left mouse button and drag. You can see the mate symbol has been attached to these components. As we move, you will see a coincident mate symbol has been appeared. Just release left mouse button and unhold the Alt key. The coincident mate has been applied. OK. Again, we will repeat this practice for this pin. First of all, hold Alt key on keyboard, then select this face, then press left mouse button and drag your component on near about this hole. Here is the mate symbol that has been attached to the pin, and as we move near to the hole, this mate symbol will be converted as a concentric mate symbol. You can see here that concentric mate symbol has been appeared. Just release your left mouse button as well as Alt key. OK. Again, you can see this pin can move in this way. So in order to apply coincident mate, just hold Alt key and select this face, then press left mouse button and move this part up to this surface. You can again see that coincident mate symbol has been appeared. Release both buttons. OK.